Hello folks. Welcome to Upadhyay tutorial. This is the second lesson of the course on Cryptography and Network Security by Sourav. Let's get started. In this lesson, we are going to learn another important topic, namely principles of security. Let's dive into the topic. The principles of network security are the principles that must be taken into consideration while implementing network security over a network. These principles help us in implementing network security efficiently. Confusing? Don't worry. Let us understand this in detail. There are 6 principles of network security which are as follows. Confidentiality, authentication, integrity, non-repudiation, access control and availability. Now that we know the 6 principles of network security, let us understand each one of them in detail. Here we go. The principle of confidentiality specifies that no one other than the sender and the intended receiver should be able to access the contents of a message. In simple terms, it means secrecy. Confidentiality gets compromised if any unauthorized disclosure of information takes place. Loss of confidentiality is usually caused by interception attacks. Let us understand this with the help of an example. John and Raina, as shown here, are communicating with one another by sending messages using their computer. It's quite obvious that none of them will want others to see their messages. That is, they want their messages to be confidential. This establishes the need of confidentiality. Now, suppose, while both of them are having a conversation, a third person intercepts the message in between the sender and the receiver. This person is not an intended receiver. Such an interception of messages violates the principle of confidentiality. The messages are no longer secret. This creates a security issue as the messages were confidential. Authentication is needed for establishing the identity of the communicating parties. It ensures that the sender is verified and that the message is sent to the intended receiver only. When you try to log into a website, you are asked to provide your user ID and your password, which are verified against the records. This is authentication in a very basic sense. So, you may be thinking, why is it needed? What if it is not implemented? Are you? Okay. Let us answer these questions with the help of an example. Suppose, John and Raina are talking to each other using their computer. Is authentication important here? Yes, it is. Here's the reason for the same. Suppose, while John and Raina are sending messages to one another, a third person hijacks the connection, starts talking to John, and there is no system of authentication. In such a situation, John will think that his messages are being received by Raina and not by another person. He may continue to send important messages that may be confidential. The receiver, on the other hand, may continue to receive messages by pretending to be Raina. This is again a very serious security issue and establishes the need for authentication of users. I hope the meaning and importance of confidentiality as well as authentication in network security is clear to you. We'll learn about the other 4 principles in the next video. So, please like the video and share the video with your friends. Feel free to let me know if you have any question on the topics discussed in this video. I will help you out. If you have not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe and click on the bell button. See you all in the next one. Till then, stay connected. Thank you.